Hello friends, it's Jatinder from Stepping Stone Overseas Jalandhar. In my previous video, I was explaining you about the PTE and I was introducing you to the speaking and writing part of PTE. Now in this video, I will be explaining you about the reading and listening module of PTE, and I will be telling you what type of question you can expect in this type of modules. So without delaying, I will get into the video straight away. In PTE reading, you will find 5 type of questions, which will be fill in the blanks, multiple choice or multiple answer questions, reorder paragraph, fill in the blanks, drag and drop. You will find a list. From those lists you will have to find the answer, and then in the end you will find multiple choice or single answer questions, which will be as a paragraph will be given to you and you will have to find the answers. In most cases you will have to find a couple of answers. In some you will have to find a single answer from that paragraph. Let me explain to you with a video so you can have a better understanding. I want to mention you one thing: there is no difference between PTE Core and PTE Academic in reading module. So let's start with the first topic, fill in the blanks.
Reading and writing. Fill in the blanks. For this item type, there is a passage with some missing words. Beside each gap, there is a button with a drop-down list. Left-click on this button to reveal the list of options for that gap. Select the word you think best fills the gap.
Next is multiple choice or multiple answer questions.
Choose multiple answers. For this item type, you need to read the passage and answer the multiple choice question. There is more than one correct response. You need to select all the answers you think are correct.
Next is reorder paragraph.
Reorder paragraphs. For this item type, you need to restore the original order of the text by selecting text boxes and dragging them across the screen. Select the text boxes, drag them across the screen and use the arrows to reorder them.
Next is the fill in the blanks, drag and drop.
Reading. Fill in the blanks. For this item type, you see a text with some missing words. You need to drag and drop words across the screen to correctly fill in the gaps in the text. You have a list of words in the blue box that you can use to fill the gaps in the text. There are more words than gaps, so you will not use all the words provided.
Next is single answer, multiple choice but single answer questions.
Multiple choice, choose single answer. For this item type, you need to read the passage and answer the multiple choice question. There are several possible response options, but only one is correct. To choose an answer, click on it using the left button on your mouse. Click on it again to deselect it, or click on a different answer.
After reading, the last module is the listening one. In listening, you will have 8 type of questions in PT Academic and 7 type of questions in PT Core. Most of the questions, not most, almost all of the questions in PT Core are same as PT Academic. There is only one exception in PT Academic where you will find a highlight correct summary, which you will not find in PT Core. This is the only type of question which you will find only in Academic but not in PTE Core. See, look here. The first question will be summarize spoken test in listening. The second one will be multiple choice or multiple answer question. The third one will be fill in the blanks, which you have to type in after listening. Then there is a multiple choice single answer. Then there is a select missing word. Then highlight incorrect word question. Then write from dictation questions, and then highlight correct summary. This is the only question which you will find in PT Academic but not in PT Core. So let's find out in detail with video what are these questions exactly. First, it is summarize spoken text.
Summarize spoken text. For this item type, you hear part of a lecture.
I have chosen The Search for Stability as the title of my lectures because I want to deal specifically.
You need to write a 50 to 70 word summary on what you heard. You have 10 minutes for this task. The word count at the bottom of the screen counts the number of words you write. Make sure to write a minimum of 50 words, but no more than 70.
Next is the multiple choice, multiple answers.
Multiple choice, choose multiple answers. For this item type, you need to listen to the recording.
On May 5th, 1961, Alan Shepard rode the Freedom 7 Mercury spacecraft into suborbital flight, making him the first American in space.
Answer the multiple choice question by selecting all the correct responses. To select an option, click on it using the left button on your mouse. Click on it again to deselect it.
Next is the fill in the blanks typing.
Fill in the blanks. For this item type, you see a transcript of the audio recording. However, some words are missing. Restore the transcript by typing in the missing words.
The Indonesian island of Sumatra is home to the country's fourth largest city, Medan, a bustling commercial hub.
You may prefer to make notes while you are listening and fill in the blanks at the end.
Next is multiple choice, single answer.
Multiple choice, choose single answer. For this item type, you need to listen to the recording and answer the multiple choice question. There are several possible response options, but only one is correct.
Next is select missing word.
Select missing word. For this item type, the last word or group of words in the recording has been replaced by a beep.
Meiosis is extremely important in the evolution of life and the survival of
There are several possible response options. Select the most appropriate option to complete the recording.
Next is highlight incorrect words.
Highlight incorrect words. For this item type, you hear a recording and see a transcript. However, the transcript contains some errors. While listening and reading, you need to click on the words in the text that differ from what the speaker says.
When explorer Roald Amundsen set out to find the Northwest Passage, his official mission was scientific, a search for the magnetic North Pole. But as historian Roland Huntford...
Next is write from dictation.
Write from dictation. For this item type, you hear a short sentence.
The cart carries a single object.
Listen carefully and type the sentence into the response box at the bottom of the screen. Remember to check your spelling.
Next is highlight correct summary.
Highlight correct summary. For this item type, you need to select the summary that best matches the recording. You may prefer to listen first, make notes, and then read the summaries.
Well, that's all for the introduction part. I hope that from these videos you will find out what type of question you can expect in PTE and what exactly they are. In the next video, we'll start from the speaking module, and I will be teaching you in detail the type of questions you can expect in speaking and how you're gonna attempt them. Till then, see you. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos.